हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जीनियस एकेडमी। तो आज हम एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं जिसकी एग्ज़ाम्स में आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत हाई होती है। यस, द क्वेश्चन यू आर एक्चुअली एबल टू सी द मिसिंग फिगर्स, वी हैव टू फाइंड देम आउट। सो लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। Following are the data on the capital project M being evaluated by the management of X Limited. Annual cost savings 40,000, useful life 4 years, IRR 15%, PI 1.064. Now NPV is something which we have to find out. Then cost of capital, cost of project, payback period. Now find the missing figures considering the following tables of discount factor only. So let's start with the question. ओके, सो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग जो हमने यहाँ पे देखनी है वो ये है, हमने सबसे पहले देखना है IRR इज़ 15% फॉर द 4 ईयर्स। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 15% फॉर 4 ईयर्स, हम इसका एक टोटल बना लेंगे, यानी 0.869, 0.756, 0.658 एंड 0.572 का टोटल, विच गिव्स मी 2.855। देन हमारी एट IRR present value of cash outflow is equal to present value of cash inflow, right? At this stage both are present value and of cash inflows is equal to the present value of cash outflows. तो यहाँ से मेरे पास मेरा cost of project आ जाएगा जो कि है 40,000, the annual cost saving into जो हमने 15% for 4 years निकाली है, that is 2.855. It gives me rupees 1,14,200. तो हमारी इससे पहली चीज़ तो कवर अप हो जाती है जो हमने कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट निकालना है, ठीक है। द सेकेंड थिंग विच इज़ अवेलेबल टू अस इज़ द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स। अब प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है, आइए देखते हैं। प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स या जिसे हम डिज़ायरेबिलिटी इंडेक्स भी कहते हैं, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ कैश इनफ्लोज डिवाइडेड बाय प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ कैश आउटफ्लोज। प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स इज 1.064 एंड I have to find out the present value of cash inflows. I know the present value of cash outflows, which is 1,14,200, the calculated above. So यहाँ से मेरा present value of cash inflows आ जाता है 1,21,509। इससे हमारा जो सेकंड हमने निकालना था, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट निकल गया है हमारा। अब हमारा यहाँ पे प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स से कैपिटल इनफ्लो भी आ गया। तो अब जब मेरे पास कैपिटल इनफ्लो और कैपिटल आउटफ्लो दोनों है, सो कैन आई कैलकुलेट the NPV. NPV is present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. Present value of cash inflows is given as 1,21,509 minus 1,14,200. It gives me 7,309, my NPV. Now the third thing which we have to calculate is R. Now first of all we'll see what we have actually calculated. We have calculated the NPV, we have calculated the cost of project. Now we want our cost of capital and payback period, right? So for, I'll calculate here for so that you can see it easily. The fourth part actually, for the cost of capital. Now this is for cost of capital. Now cost of capital is equal to present value of cash inflows divided by the annual cash inflows, right? So cost of capital is equal to the present value of cash inflow we have actually calculated is 1,21,509. So 1,21,509 divided by the annual cash inflows, which is already given to us in the question, 40,000. So my cost of capital is 12%. Now the last thing which we are left with is the payback period, right? So let's calculate that also. Payback period. So for payback period, that means the amount which we have invested in the project, यानी कि हमारी what our cost of capital is, it should be divided by the return which we are getting. That is 1,14,200 divided by 40,000, the returns which we are earning. So it gives to me around 2.855 years. Now after we have calculated this, the last step or the last thing which we have to write down is the answers which we have calculated. So the first thing is NPV. NPV is 7309. Then comes cost of capital, that is 12%. Cost of project. Cost of project is 1,14,200. 1,14,200. Last but not the least, the payback period, which is 2.855 years. I hope you understood the question and the way how we have to solve it. So for more videos and for more updates, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Genius Academy, Chandigarh. Thank you.